Casa das Ondas by Milcent Arquitetura in Praia do Forte, Brazil. The House of Waves is a true tribute to natural beauty and seaside living. Inspired by the ethereal element of water, the residence presents a truly beachy and unique design, where we, from Milcent Architecture, seek to personify the movement of the ocean. Located in Praia do Forte, a coastal city in the state of Bahia, Casa das Ondas reflects the lush nature of its surroundings, as a dedication from the architects to the coastal region where they reside. The roof of the residence is an interpretation of the breaking waves movement, which initially captures the attention of those observing it even from a distance. Upon crossing the entrance door, we encounter the first segment of the internal garden, which welcomes us with imposing elephant feet plants and leads us to a floating staircase emerging from the regional fauna. Walking through this entrance, we have the sensation of being immersed in a private forest. With the residence strategically oriented towards the sunrise, much like the beach, as we ascend to the upper floor, we encounter the areas dedicated to the family, with all bedrooms designed to have a panoramic view of the entire coastline. In the outdoor area, we provide a comfortable entertainment environment, especially when the glass doors are open, allowing for seamless integration between the indoor and outdoor spaces, connecting the deck, balcony, gourmet area, and living room. Thus, Casa das Ondas is not just a residence but an experience where natural beauty and comfort intertwine in perfect harmony, providing an exceptional refuge where every detail is a celebration of seaside living.